Hi, we're Steve and Naz, and we've been digital nomads for about 3 years. We currently live and work in our self-converted camper van. We first started traveling full-time in a travel trailer. In this video, we'll be giving you a little bit of a taste of RV life and showing you a tour of that travel trailer. Stay tuned, subscribe, and buckle up for the journey.
When we were living at a house, we were not able to see different places all the time unless we traveled. And it all costs money. When you have your house with you, you don't need to be worried about when you go back, which hotel you are gonna stay at. You can take your house with you. It's so rewarding. I love it so much. When you are in a small space, you're kind of forced to go out. You kind of have no choice.
That's the great thing about this lifestyle, is it forces you to be outside. And then if you're moving from campground to campground, it kind of forces you to see new places.
Hello guys, welcome to our little home. I'm gonna tour you around. We have a 21-foot trailer. This is our kitchen area. It's a pretty large sink. I really like it. We looked at other trailers. The sink was a lot smaller, and honestly I really like this one. It's a bit messy here. Today was moving day. We have a lot of storage up here. I came up with this idea for our glasses because, you know, when you're moving around, things can break. I bought this from the dollar store, and I put some Velcro here. And I can put my glasses one beside each other and they don't break. Another thing I did was, we don't have much plastic. We use this kind of ceramic plates. I bought this from Dollarama and I put the plates one inside each other. We don't have many plates either. For the little we have, we don't want to break them. This is my precious Instant Pot. I really take it around all the time, especially when we go to the barn where we are working on the van. And I honestly use it a lot more than I use this guy here. And there is a reason for that. First of all, it's propane. We don't want propane because propane is a wet heat. You get moisture. So honestly, when we build a van, we are not gonna have anything like this because this takes up a lot of space for something I don't really use that often. So I just have a little cooktop, electric cooktop. We will probably buy a little propane one as well in case we run out of electricity. We have a nice fan here. It's nice, but it's not because it's not very strong. Honestly, this is not really great. The fan we have in the van sucks out a lot more than this one does. This is not very strong and it's very noisy. And the microwave we hardly use. This was lunch. This is our little air fryer. Not little, but hey, I love this. I'm gonna put a dedicated place for this in the van. Maybe under the cabinets. We were still thinking about it. Here's some fruits hanging. I just hang them. I have some hooks, 3M hooks. They're really strong. Nothing special, I just hang them here and it does the job. It's really great. Here's a dedicated place for the love of my life, my coffee. Sorry, Steven. Steven's giving me bad looks behind the camera. So here's where our coffee goes, tea, vitamins, popcorn maker, and all of that good fun stuff. This is our couch. We use this pillows as cushions. I haven't bought them a cover. I rather have them matching the interior of the van. I don't want to buy anything that to match the trailer yet. We will be selling this trailer and moving to the van soon, so I'll just wait to see what we want for the van. And this I use inside the bathroom. We have a washing machine that we lug around. When we want to dry our clothes, we just put this across the bathroom and we hang the clothes there and we put a little heater in the bathroom and the clothes really dry really great. Here's just some camera stuff. Let me explain to you what's going on here. I know it looks a bit weird, but the thing is, this dinette is really uncomfortable if you're sitting on these cushions. The cushions are really bad. It doesn't offer you a lot of back support. If you're eating, it's fine, but if you're just sitting here the whole day and editing videos, it's really painful. So Steven had a brilliant idea. He used our office chairs we had from the house. He removed the bottom and he removed the arm that gives access to the chair, and we can just sit nicely and work. In the van, we are gonna be doing something more adequate. And here we have our Dometic fridge. It's actually a very good size. Here we have tons of storage in the freezer. This for trailer is pretty good. This is the fridge. Let's go to the bathroom. I just put a mirror here. It's nice to have a mirror that's big enough so that you can see yourself and makes this space look a bit bigger. So So this is our bathroom, which I really like. Spacious bathroom is not really easy to find, and this one actually has a vanity inside. So this is the place where I do my hair, my makeup, where we brush our teeth and all of that good stuff. Just shower area. We used to have a shower head that came with the trailer, but then we bought this Oxygenics one, which is really good. It has a lot of pressure compared to what we had before, and you can change the settings. And also you can close it, leave it dripping when you're just soaping yourself, and then open it again. I'm gonna be dropping the link for this on the description below because it's really wonderful. I really love the shower. And here we have some hooks, the same ones I use for the fruits. Really strong, really great if you're drying things or if you're just hanging things when you're showering. I will also drop the link on the description below. They are really, really handy. We're gonna be using them a lot in the van as well. And right here we have our toilet. It's a really great toilet, but there is one thing that I really don't like about RV toilets, which is they tend to smell. We're gonna have a composting toilet. We already have a composting toilet. I have heard wonders about it. I hope it doesn't smell. People said it doesn't. Right here we just have a fan, a light. As you can see, this trailer has a lot of storage. Steven and I recently came to a realization that space that's not really well planned is not useful. So there is a lot of space and stuff, but it wasn't built around our needs like the van is gonna be. And living in an RV really helped us to understand how we want things to be built in a van, and we are working towards it. Right here is our bedroom, which I will not be showing to you guys. My laundry is right here to be folded and packed away, and I don't want to show you guys any mess. Right here I can still show you this. This is our 40-pint dehumidifier. When you are in an RV, you do want a dehumidifier because you are in a very small space and you're breathing all the time, which is really good. It shows that you're alive. If you're cooking with propane, you create a ton of moisture. You know, moisture creates mold, and you don't want mold. It's not good for you. So this is really good. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for coming into our house, and I hope to see you guys soon again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.